I'm Haley Noel. I'm the CEO of 3D-OPS. I have a bachelor's degree in cellular and molecular biology. At the beginning, I didn't see myself as an entrepreneur. I was just a female scientist, which in itself had its own challenges. It's still very much a male-dominated world. One of the things that VentureWell's really helped with is this company's only going to work if people trust and believe in you. Realizing that I believed in this company, which means I also need to believe in myself. Becoming a female entrepreneur gave me a confidence that I didn't have prior. Yeah, I'm a female CEO of a healthcare startup at the age of 23. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's insane. 16.5 million Americans each year suffer from severe tissue injuries that require invasive surgeries. But what if there was a better solution? What if we could glue our loved ones back together? Currently, glues can be split into two major categories. Your super glues, which are mechanically strong but not biocompatible, and surgical glues, which, while being biologically friendly, are extremely weak. This means that there's a gap in the market. And this is our mission. We're trying to create the first biologically friendly and mechanically strong glue, and we're doing it with spider silk. Why spider silk? It's 20 times more adhesive than Gorilla Glue, 7 times more elastic than spandex, and 5 times stronger than steel. No man-made material has comparable properties. But there's a catch. I don't think many of us want to spend our weekends running around the woods collecting spiderwebs with a stick. So instead, our team designed Ariadne 1.0. A novel method for creating spider silk adhesives. By using a 3D printer that we've modified, we are able to create nature's wonder material. We found out about e-teams. There was the stage 1 application, and we got in. That was kind of exciting because it was the first major award we had gotten, and I don't think we really knew what to expect originally. Going to Atlanta, that was one of the most important experiences that we've had. Being surrounded by peers who were going through exactly what we were going through, or maybe had already gone through what we were going through at that moment and had experience in it, as well as being surrounded by these mentors and advisors who genuinely cared about the success of what you were doing. And the amount of female mentors, they've been able to look at me and go, no, you don't apologize. No, you stand up for yourself. No, you say, yes, I can do this. To have this group of women who are not only raising you up and supporting you, but giving you opportunities that you didn't know existed. The Qualcomm Innovator Stipend was incredibly helpful. One of the first things that we did with actually some of that funding was go up to our surgical partners and say, we have funding, what studies do we need for you to be fully on board with this? And they said, all right, let's do it. So we're now getting funding from these massive surgical organizations. It's no longer a question about what my qualifications are, it's their qualifications. And so I think that Innovator Stipend as well as VentureWell in terms of really helping us be strategic with how we put that money out and recognizing the fact of, hey, you need to recognize your weaknesses and you need to make them your strengths.